Good morning, day 7 of 75 Hard. You know, a lot of people do things in life to prove others wrong. At some point in your life, somebody said something to you, or maybe you were bullied in high school, or maybe you had a teacher treat you a certain way, or maybe even your parents treated you a certain way and you set out to prove people wrong. And initially, I think that's okay for motivation and encouragement. But at some point, in my humble opinion, you just need to prove to yourself that you're capable. And with 75 Hard, with other, fitness and nutrition endeavors, and really anything else in life, 7 days is kind of a big deal. Like 7 days in our heads, the way that we process time, it's a week. And proving to yourself you can do something for a week makes you understand that, oh, if I can do this for a week, I can do this for 2 weeks, I can do this for 3 weeks. If you're trying to be sober, same thing, like, 1 day at a time, and then that 1 day becomes a week, and then the week becomes a month, and then the month becomes years. But we still have to tackle it just 1 day at a time. So again, if you're doing this with me, if you're one of those people, it's day 7. We got a whole week in. I mean, we got to get through today and not fuck it up, but it's a good feeling to know that you can do something and that you're capable, because again, at the end of the day, it's always going to be you versus you. And the more you prove to yourself what you're capable of, and the more you prove to yourself that you are worthy of the results that you seek in all areas of life, the more you'll push through. Y'all have a great day. Keep making good choices. I'll see you soon. All right, day 7 of 75 Hard is complete. All the things are done. Once again, as long as a chocolate chip cookie doesn't end up in my mouth between now and the time I go to bed, we're good to go. Listen, I am extremely grateful for my wife. I know a lot of people do this program and talk about the lack of support, the lack of encouragement from their family. The people that mean the most to them are the ones that are holding them back, and whatever you want to call it. But my wife is 1000% supportive of me doing this. She's actually doing some of it. Her schedule's whacked, but she's also a business owner and a mom and does so much. But I'm just really grateful to have that support from her, that, hey, I gotta go get a workout done, hey, I gotta go get another workout done, hey, I got a food prep. Like, it's kind of a disruption somewhat, but she understands the impact that it has. She's actually the one who encouraged me to do this again, and it helps me to be who I need to be so I can serve the people that I serve every day. So if you don't have support like that, if you're doing 75 Hard, find your people. Like, there's a giant Facebook group, like the official 75 Hard Facebook group. Go join that. Find me. Like, I got a community you can join for free as well. But find your people, because it makes it 1,000 times easier. Y'all have a great night. I'll see you tomorrow. Keep making good choices.